are slowly fading, taking you a while to change.
I'm still waiting
for the real you to come back and treat me like you did before. It was the old you I was attracted to,
the old you I adored.
I waited cause I thought maybe he just needs time, but that time is running out and I'm losing my mind. When will I find the person that I love? When will I find the definition of love? I think you love me, or at least I hope you do, but with this new personality I don't know if it's true. You smile in my face and tell me the same, but I can see it in your eyes, I can see that you changed.
Feature